Hi everyone, Jai Hind. Welcome back in the JSON core series, day 12. And in day 12, we are going to understand the looping on JSON object. Now to explain you this, I am using the online compiler. Online compiler, you can use anyone, but I mean all are same, okay? But the important thing is the code which I am writing here, that as usual, I will be providing you in the GitHub repository. And the link of the GitHub repository I will be providing once I will upload the this lecture, okay? So in the description, you can find out. Okay, so focus, I mean, here in the learning. And in case, I mean, if you have any doubt, any question, you can ask the questions right now as well. Just ping me. But in case, I mean, you have the, you're watching the, I mean, the recording, and then you have the question, feel free to post your question on the comment section. The contact details are also available in the about section of the channel. So you can, I mean, connect with me anytime and, utilize I mean all the platform to gain the knowledge, to share the knowledge, and to enhance the knowledge. Okay, all right. So I am just I mean first of all creating very simple I mean the JSON object. So okay, so the one example I will take I mean of the simple I mean JSON object. The another one I mean I will make a little bit complex, and that will be easy for you to grab, to learn. Okay, so this is very simple, I mean the JSON object. Okay, let me store it into a variable. Okay, this is clear. Okay, and let me parse this. I should also see the result of I mean the ones I have parsed. Okay, now loop. Now I'm running the loop. Now where is my result? Okay, and so my parsed, my after parsing, the result is stored in a txt variable, and from the txt variable, which I mean you will see the result here. From the txt variable, each I mean the result one by one is going to come in the variable x, and I am going to print the x. Let me run this code. Oh, okay, okay, see here. So parsing done. Name property, age property, and the course property. We have all the properties available here. Okay, okay, clear? Any confusion? Now, if you want, instead of I mean the getting like this, you want in a one line. There's a method. Okay, there's a way. Okay, so I'm creating a variable here. Okay, and this variable is doing nothing, just an space. Clear? Now, after this, what I am doing here, Each time I'm getting my x, I am going to add this into my variable print val. Okay, understand? Any confusion? Okay, you see here. See, any time you finding, any doubt, you can ask. See, let me explain you again. Till now, this is clear that, you have the parsing result in the txt. Once you have done the, the parsing, you have seen the, okay, what is, the result we have. After this, forget about this line 8. After this, where we have the result in the txt, okay, txt, and then we are running a loop. So loop is running on a, on a txt one by one, the properties are coming out. Remember, I'm repeating, one by one, properties are coming out. Okay, properties are coming out, and you are seeing the property. Now, what if you want that, okay, instead of the going property in a separate line, I need properties to be present in a operand in a single line. Okay, instead of multi-line, make it as a single line. So what you can do is you have they created a variable. Okay, this has nothing, just a space. Okay, so ideally this is blank. Okay, right now this is blank, this has nothing other than the space. Okay, then what you are doing here, you are in this the variable, you are adding the property name with a comma, and you're seeing the value. Clear? Any confusion? Okay, now another one. Let's say you have Toyota. Okay, now run the code. Clear? So the what we are getting here is the property. What we are getting here is the property. Okay, all right. Now what what in case if I need, because property, okay, I'm getting, but I need the value, then we will see in day 13. Okay, so please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because your likes are important. Each like of yours make the video more reachable to the larger audience. Okay, so the please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll meet again in the day 13. Till then, take care of yourself and your country. Jai Hind.